Hello, STEM makers and engineers. This week you have a choice of two challenges. The first is a maker challenge, and the second is an engineering challenge. Now, I don't know about you, but we've been playing a lot of games around my house lately. However, I noticed last week when my kids were in the yard kicking a ball around that they kept making a game out of it, and every few minutes they'd change the rules to make the game a little bit more interesting. Now, I've seen you do something like this too when you're playing Foursquare on the playground. The Foursquare I grew up playing is very different than the Foursquare that you guys play because you have created all these different rules around the game. So it gave me this idea that, sometimes playing by the rules gets a little boring. So it's fun to mix it up a little. So for your maker challenge, either invent a new game or change an existing game. And what I mean by changing an existing game is imagine you're playing like Old Maid, but now the rule of the game is you want to wind up with the old maid at the end. So you might change what the goal is, you might change some of the rules along the way. So mix it up, make it a little bit more interesting. Now, your second choice is an engineering challenge, and that is to create a marble run using items that you found around your home. I've included in this week's assignment a crazy video of a marble mountain for you to watch for inspiration, but I certainly don't expect you to make anything this complicated. That probably took that person months to make. Here are a few examples of ones that my students have done in other classes to give you some ideas of what you might include. You might try and challenge yourself by saying how long you can keep the marble running down the path, or could you work a staircase into the marble run?
Ready?
Yep.